Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss exercise 11.2, sixth problem and seventh problem. So in sixth problem there is a triangle XYZ given, which is, so it is a right angle triangle, right angled at Y, and YZ is equal to, sorry here, right angled, YZ is equal to X and XZ is equal to 2X is given. And so by knowing this data up to here till here, we need to determine the angle YXZ and an angle YZX. YXZ and YZX we need to determine. Angle YXZ and angle YZX we need to determine by knowing this data. So let us start our problem. So given a right angle triangle XYZ, where angle Y is equal to 90 and 90 degrees, YZ is equal to X and XY is equal to 2X. Now if you observe here, XZ is given and YZ is also given, but XY is not given. XY is not given. So let us find XY by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now here hypotenuse is xz. Xz is equal to side square plus side square, that means xy square plus yz square. So xz square means 2x square, 2x whole square is equal to xy whole square plus 2x plus x square. Yz means x square. Now transmitting this xy to this side and bringing this xz to here, then it will become xy whole square is equal to 2x whole square minus x square. So xy whole square is equal to 2x whole square means it will become 4x square minus x square is the same. Now xy whole square equal to 4x square minus x square means 3x square. So remove the square, it will become root. So xy is equal to square root of 3x square, so that is equal to square root of 3x. Now therefore xy we got 3x. So now we got all xy and yz. We know xz, xy, we know yz, xz and xy also. So we know now all the so we know all. Now let us determine yxz and yzx. Now yxz means the theta is at x, the theta is at x, or angle is at x. Now angle yzx means the angle is at z, the angle is at z. So now to determine this, you can take sine or cos or tan or cot, anything. Now I am taking sine. So first I am determining. First I am going to determine angle yxz. Yxz I am going to determine now. So yxz means, so I took the sine now. So it is sin x equal to yz. Yz is opposite to x by xz means hypotenuse. So opposite to, so yz means x. Sin x is equal to x by 2x. So x will be cancelled one time. So it will become 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can find this one by in sin 30. So sin x is equal to sin 30. So angle yxz is equal to 30, so angle yxz is equal to 30. Now I got angle yxz. So in the same way let us find y is 1 minute yzx. In the same way let us find yzx. Now yzx means the so it is sin z. Sin z means opposite to angle z by opposite side to angle z by hypotenuse. So opposite is xy and hypotenuse is xz. So sin z is equal to square root of 3x by 2x. So here also the same, xx will be cancelled one time. So here root 3 by 2 we will get sin z is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin z equal to sin 6. So sin z we got root 3 by 2. Sin z root 3 by 2 means we can find this in sin 60. So sin z is equal to sin 60. Therefore angle yzx is equal to 60. So by knowing that following information, I got yxz and yzx. So therefore angle yxz is equal to 30 and angle yz is equal to 60. Now let us discuss the seventh problem. So the seventh problem, he is asking whether it is right to say that sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. So if yes, we have to justify our answer. So let us start our problem. So here take anything values, take some values. So now I took let a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 60. LHS. So LHS means the first one given, no, sine of a plus b equal to so a plus b till a before equal to, so that is sine of a plus b, a plus b. So the substitute these values in LHS, that means sine of a plus b, in sine of a plus b. LHS is equal to sine of 30 plus 60, means it will become sine 90, that is equal to 1. Now substitute the same values in RHS. So what is RHS? RHS is equal to sine A plus sine B. RHS is equal to sine 30 plus sine 60. RHS is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. So LCM for this 1 plus root 3 by 2. So here in LHS we got the value 1. Here we got 1 plus root 3 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So therefore it is not right to say that sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. So this is the solution for this question. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching my video.